Hello guys, how you doing? How you doing? Master Calvin here and El Dorado FX as usual here, bringing to you analyzing with El Dorado FX. As you know, this is not financial advice; it's our view on the market. So please, always apply proper risk management and always check for confirmations in whatever we say here and whatever entries you want to take. So let's go and jump into the analysis. So today we are starting for the daily time frame. So as you know, in daily we see now the indecision that we have in the market. So yesterday you see this closing in a doji candle was really showing the indecision because prior NFP, tomorrow is finally NFP. Remember, NFP, the biggest news of the month. So be careful, it could be a move of 150 pips or more. So 100 to 150 pips, 200 pips, all depends how big it goes. But what we know is the biggest news of the month, NFP. So be careful. So we see the indecision, and we also see that the price is about to close right now as I'm doing this analysis in 3 minutes. It looks like we're going to close bearish on the daily. But again, this is the consolidation zone that we've been trading for the last 2 days. As the price done the breakout, we see this solid bullish control in Monday and Tuesday. But then we didn't see anything else like that in the last 2 days. So we've been in consolidation. Remember, this is due because NFP is coming. The investors, they reserve, many investors, they pull out or they stay away during this week. So that's why we see this indecision. It has been really nice for scalping. We've been doing it very fine with the scalping and getting our back every day. That's how it is. We need to adapt to the market conditions. So 4 hours, we see that really that consolidation uh has been madness. So after the breakout to the upside, we see that we enter in this big consolidation since Tuesday. So crazy. The last 3 days actually has been crazy after this the gold entering this consolidation between 2929 and 2891. So for tomorrow, guys, as is NFP, as I said, this is technical analysis. So as long as we remain above the trend line and as long as we remain above this zone, gold can buy again. So between 2905 or 2904 and 2895. Let's see what happened there, especially if the price doesn't take this low right here. So let's see what happened. And the key price against that we're looking is 2882. So if that price is respected, so it means that we can push up again. But again, the sellers are also in the game. It's a lot in decision. We see the candle patterns. So this was a strong selling candle that we have here, and then we have a push up. So it's a mess actually, this price action, but we do our best. So also we say for the sellers, as long as the price remain below 2930, so we can have also a move to the downside. But for now, once again, because the higher time frame is still bullish, so we're still looking for buys as a main uh, bias. Okay, so anyways, do your best to identify your entries. So now we're moving to what is basically our single price entries. So congratulations if you did follow it yesterday, because it was amazing, especially those people that entered 2995 area. It was really good. And also we suggest the sales. Remember also I adjusted a little, but yeah, 2,922 was a sell area, and now we have for sales to check for sales. Look for confirmation 2,925, 2,930. For buys, we're gonna check for buys in 2,906, 2,995, and 2,983. Remember, this is mostly for scalping these entries, but they can give very good rewards. So hopefully that you find this reaction in these different prices that we given. So congratulations if you've been following, because it's been really good. So Bitcoin, I'm not gonna say much about Bitcoin, but we the same idea we said yesterday. As long as we remains below 95,000, we're gonna probably keep pushing down. But we see now a behavior in Bitcoin that after creating the lower low, and then it created the higher high that we have here, and then we have again a higher low, and again a higher high, so uh, lower high, and then that's it. So it's been creating that consolidation area. But for Bitcoin, we're not gonna say much again. Let's focus on what we see, and as long as I see the price, we see the price below 95,000, I'm most likely that you guys wanna go for a sell base, basically. But again, take into account that it's not taking the low. Also, it touched the weekly FU. That is why we're having this bounce to the upside. So congratulations if you are smashing it and making profit in Bitcoin, at least with the view that we're trying to give. Okay, so now we're moving on very quickly to see what happened in our Telegram. We basically provide today a banger signal in our free channel. Remember, you can join our free channel. It's free to receive 1 to 2 signals per day, which is really amazing. So this was a buy, which was a banger. It hit all the TPs, more than 210 pips for free. So no one does that. Only Dorado FX is here where you can get profit with us. As you can see, very amazing. But more amazing what happened in our premium. So our premium, we got almost 1,000 pips today in our signals. So the signals, we really kill it. It was incredible today. We got sells, we got buys, we scalp, we done everything possible in our premium channel. So congratulations if you are with us. If not, please come and join us for signals. So this is all from me. I wish that you have a nice NFP, and then you kill it. Guys, we also gonna trade live tomorrow in our premium. We're gonna trade live with our premium community, and we're gonna analyze the market together and jumping together into trades if we see the opportunity. So all the best. Let's see. Anyways, have a nice weekend, and we keep going. Take care, and see you in the next forecast. Take care. Master Kelvin, Eldorado Facts, always here for you. Bye bye.